Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to source for all things home and outdoor living. Today, we address a common challenge for homeowners achieving privacy without incurring substantial costs and explore exceptional cheap privacy fence design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let us begin with a clear understanding. Cheap privacy fence design is not synonymous with inferior quality. It represents the strategic utilization of cost-effective materials and methods to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing privacy barrier. It is a matter of intelligent planning and resource allocation. The motivations for opting for a budget-friendly privacy fence are practical. Financial constraints are a primary factor. However, a well-executed cheap privacy fence can also enhance the visual appeal of a property, demonstrating that affordability and style are not mutually exclusive. It is a pragmatic solution that yields both functional and aesthetic benefits. How do I decorate my backyard with cheap privacy fence design to look good? Enhancing your backyard with a cheap privacy fence requires thoughtful decoration. Here are the design ideas. Enhancing your backyard with a cheap privacy fence requires thoughtful decoration. To begin, consider integrating vertical gardens. Attaching trellises or wire mesh to the fence allows for the cultivation of climbing plants, adding greenery and creating a natural backdrop. Secondly, incorporate outdoor lighting, such as solar-powered string lights or strategically placed spotlights, to transform the fence into an enchanting feature during evening hours. Decorative panels, made from materials like bamboo, lattice, or repurposed wood, can add texture and visual interest. Furthermore, selecting a paint or stain that complements your existing outdoor decor can enhance the fence's aesthetic appeal. Positioning outdoor mirrors strategically can create an illusion of depth, expanding the perceived space. Creating a comfortable seating area adjacent to the fence, complete with cushions and throws, adds a cozy element. Introducing outdoor art or sculptures near or on the fence provides a focal point. Defining the space near the fence with outdoor rugs or mats creates a cohesive look. Incorporating small water features, such as fountains or ponds, near the fence creates a serene ambience. Finally, designing a fire pit area near the fence offers a space for social gatherings and warmth during cooler evenings. What is the best material for cheap privacy fence design? The selection of materials is crucial for achieving a cost-effective privacy fence. Here are 10 top material choices. One, treated pine. Affordable and durable, treated pine is a popular choice for its longevity and cost-effectiveness. The pressure treatment process infuses the wood with preservatives, protecting it from rot, decay, and insect infestation. This makes it suitable for outdoor use, even in humid climates. It is available in various sizes and styles, allowing for customization. 2. Bamboo fences. Lightweight, eco-friendly, and aesthetically unique, bamboo fences offer a sustainable option. Bamboo grows rapidly and is a renewable resource. Its natural appearance adds a tropical or Asian-inspired touch to any backyard. Bamboo fences are typically pre-assembled panels, making installation relatively straightforward. 3. Chain link with privacy slats. A functional and economical solution, chain link with privacy slats provides security and privacy. Chain link fences are inherently durable and require minimal maintenance. Privacy slats, made from materials like PVC or wood, are woven into the chain link mesh to create a solid barrier. This option offers a balance of affordability and functionality. 4. Vinyl fences. While slightly more expensive upfront, vinyl fences offer long-term durability and minimal maintenance. Vinyl is resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage, eliminating the need for painting or staining. It is available in various styles and colors, allowing for customization. Vinyl fences are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for busy homeowners. 5. Recycled pallets. A sustainable and budget-friendly option, recycled pallets can be repurposed into stylish fences. Pallets are readily available and can be disassembled and reassembled to create unique fence designs. This option allows for creative expression and reduces waste. Properly treated and sealed pallets can provide a durable and visually appealing privacy solution. 6. Corrugated metal. Provides a modern and robust option. Corrugated metal sheets offer durability and a contemporary look. Corrugated metal is resistant to rust and weathering, making it suitable for various climates. It creates a solid and secure barrier, offering excellent privacy. It is relatively easy to install and can be painted or powder coated to match any aesthetic. 7. Reed fencing. Offers a natural and rustic aesthetic. Reed fencing is lightweight and easy to install. Reed fences are made from natural reeds woven together with wire. They provide a lightweight and flexible privacy solution that can be easily installed on existing fences or structures. Reed fencing adds a natural and organic touch to any backyard. 8. Woven willow fences. Offers a unique and natural aesthetic. Woven willow fences provide a charming and rustic touch. Willow branches are woven together to create a flexible and visually appealing fence. Willow fences add a natural and organic element to any outdoor space. They are relatively lightweight and easy to install. 9. Shade cloth or fabric panels. A temporary and inexpensive solution, shade cloth or fabric panels offer flexible privacy options. Shade cloth and fabric panels are lightweight and easy to install. They can be attached to existing fences or structures to create a temporary privacy barrier. This option is ideal for renters or those seeking a quick and affordable privacy solution. 10. Living fences or hedges shrubs. A natural and dynamic privacy solution, living fences offer ecological benefits and aesthetic appeal. Living fences are created by planting hedges or shrubs in a dense row. They provide natural privacy, reduce noise pollution, and enhance air quality. Living fences require regular maintenance, such as pruning and watering, but offer a long-term and sustainable privacy solution. Achieving privacy in your backyard is attainable without excessive expenditure. By implementing these 10 design ideas and selecting appropriate materials, you can create a functional and visually appealing privacy fence that aligns with your budget. We encourage you to explore these ideas and adapt them to your specific needs. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert insights on home improvement and design. We invite you to share your experiences and questions in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. We trust that this information will assist you in creating a beautiful and private outdoor space. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.